It's the last week of summer and I finally got a green rain day. Green rain can happen randomly between the 5th and 23rd of summer. None of the electronics work during this anomaly. On green rain days, you will be able to stock up on lots of fiber, moss, and fiddlehead ferns. These forageables can be found mostly on your farm, the backwoods, and cinder sap forest. You will also have a chance at getting some mossy seeds. These can be planted on your farm. They can be chopped down for fiddlehead ferns and can also be tapped if grown from a mossy seed on your farm. When the mossy seeds have grown fully into their green rain tree, they will speed up the growth rate on a common tree planted within a 5-square radius. Green rain does not affect fishing or beach forageables. During the first year's Green Rain Day, you will find most of the villagers at Gus's Saloon hunkering down with unique dialogue that only happens the first year. You will not be able to gift anything to the villagers on this day either. To prep for the day, I make a tent kit and purchase some Joja Cola and coffee from Gus's. This will help when you want to stay out as late as you can and get through the fiber fast to get as much as possible. I ended the day with around 650 fibers. If you're tired of having to fill up your animal's hay troughs, then you will have to upgrade your coop and barn twice to get to the deluxe editions. This will allow an auto feed on both buildings. It will also unlock pigs, sheep, and rabbits. Once you finish your artisan bundle, you will be gifted a free keg that takes getting to farming level 8 to get the crafting recipe. This can be used to make coffee from beans and making different wines. Planting tree seeds in cinder sap forest is a great way to get wood. There are no villager paths that go through this area. Upgrade to a iridium fishing rod as soon as you can. This will allow bait and a lure on the same rod. If you have a targeted bait maker and an extra pufferfish, now is the time to try and stock up. They can only be caught during sunny summer days between 12 and 4 p.m. The base sell price on these are 200 gold each. Oh look, I got an owl chair! The last night of the season is the Dance of the Moon Night Jellies. Here you can purchase a seafoam pudding for 5,000 gold. You can also get some cool dialogue from the villagers, especially the wizard once you find him hiding out. This is the coziest part of the game events for me. It's so calming. If you enjoyed this tips and tricks video for Stardew Valley, be sure to like and subscribe.